Hi everyone. I've been having a lot of fun with LED lighting recently and have started to incorporate it into one of my model ship builds. And I know it takes a long time for me to post videos and they've tended to be on the long side, so I've decided to break them up into smaller sections. And today I'm going to review the LED lighting that I'll be using before I hide the wires within the model. Now I was able to purchase this for just $12 from evandesigns.com. And the great thing about this lighting is that, as you can see, it modulates. And the particular light I chose is yellow, which replicates a candle or a lantern flame, which is exactly what I wanted for my model. There is actually zero soldering involved, which for me was made it pretty much a slam dunk. It's literally plug and play right out of the package. Now here is one of the gratings that I'll be using in my model. You can see what it'll look like underneath the grating. In fact, if I turn off, kind of hard to see on the film, but you can see the effect that it'll have. Now I made these gratings, incidentally, if anyone's interested, out of black walnut, and I coated them with tung oil. And when the deck of my model is ready, this grating will cover the light that I'll have in the body of the hull, which you'll see in a future video. And I actually purchased two of these, one for the grating and one for a lantern that I'll have in the back of the ship. And the next video that I post will actually show how I'm making the lantern. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And as always, please do post any comments or questions below, and please hit the like button. Incidentally, if you feel this video is too short in nature, please also let me know. I'm still trying to figure out how long these videos should be. Alright, thanks everyone.